If we were doing the old way in these 22 projects, it would have taken us years to get them done. We probably would have only got 2 or 3 this year, where in that same time frame of 7 months, where now we've got 22 projects.
For South Heidelberg Township, the Asphalt Zipper has been an absolute home run game changer for this municipality. It's allowed us to do more segments of roadway that we would otherwise have to wait or pay liquid fuels to have done. And it truly has allowed us to really jumpstart our road repairs and start to get ahead of things rather than wait for things to fall completely apart. So it's been a real game changer for us for sure.
Our budget used to allow us to get 1.5 miles with a contractor, and now with this machine in-house, we're on par to do 8 miles a year on the same budget. So that's a huge savings, a huge move forward for our township.
We're repairing damaged roads all year long, and this machine is economical to purchase. It's reliable. It does the job that a milling machine of bigger caliber can do. Yeah, highly recommend it.
We recently did the Bicentennial Road project. It was a half a mile at 21 feet wide, and we did the entire project in 2.5 days, ready for chip seal. That was reclaiming, compacting, grading it back out, putting the crown back in, getting everything ready for chip seal. Had we done that conventionally, how we used to do it on a dig out, that would have been same distance, same width, 3.5, 4 weeks.
When you can present a finished product that holds up for years and is a good quality product with the least amount of taxpayer money being used, everybody's happy. My bosses are happy, the residents are happy, we're happy, and that's what it's about.
All I can say is great things about it. So we're happy. Yeah, so very disgruntled constituents. It take a long time for us to be able to get to potholes or any kind of street repairs that need to be done. And as far as time is concerned, we pretty much control the narrative now, so we can mobilize in a matter of days at this point. So we win, our constituents win, obviously the cars, and but timing has been beautiful, which time is money. And like I said, it's been a big plus, and of course we save a lot of money because we do it in house. So it's been great. I highly recommended. So if you don't have a zipper, you better get one. Your city will be in a better position, able to control your narrative.
Because if we can do that, let's say that $100,000 job, where if we were a subcontractor it'd be $300,000. Well, we just saved $200,000. So we can do more job with less money.
We spent around $60,000 on one road, patching the old way. I can take that same road today with the Asphalt Zipper and probably spend $25,000. And not only that, but the patches also come out smoother.
Whether you're going to be out there 2 weeks with a crew doing the work, or whether you want a crew out there 4 hours, and that would be your justification on looking at purchasing the machine.
I tell you what, if you have potholes, if you have streets that are decaying and chipping away, this is the machine for you, because as you go through it and it reclaims that pavement again, you have a new street after you get through.
We did a total reconstruction of the road that would have probably taken us 2 to 3 weeks, and we did it in 4 10-hour days.
Yeah, budgets are tight. Price of fuel is outrageous. The price of oil is getting outrageous. We have to look at something to do our jobs more cost effective, and the Zipper does it for us. It's the best investment you could make.
You just can't get asphalt people to come out or milling people to come out because everybody's busy. And this way we're not having to rely on them, and we can get our job done and move on.
You can patch with it, you can do small milling jobs, you can do soil stabilization or full depth reclamation. That's where people like us, I feel like we need to put our money.
We bought this Asphalt Zipper. We bought it about 10 years ago, and we were satisfied with it because the road has stayed fixed for 10 years. So it's been a good end result. Residents are happy, and the City of Taft is very happy with that.
I think the customers in the area, our taxpayers, are impressed when they see this machine run.
You don't have to use the same amount of materials to get the same amount of work done, if not more. You certainly don't, you get more work done in less time, which is obviously a saving. So you start looking at things as not having to use overtime, not having to use as much personnel, being able to accomplish more tasks in the same time period. So this is one of those excellent buys. It's kind of no-brainer for us in terms of reducing county overhead.
What I was most impressed with on the purchase of the Asphalt Zipper was that the representative, upon delivery of the piece of equipment, stayed and operated it until you were comfortable and understood the operation of the machine. There's many pieces of equipment that you buy today, you're kind of on your own understanding the operation of it. You don't have the representation of asking someone if you're operating it right or if it needs adjustment.
You know, that you're not wasting money, you're doing it once, do it right. I think that's where the Zipper really pays off is, you know, you're going down and getting the base fixed where the problem is.
It's going to save money. I mean, there's just no way that it can't save you money unless you purchase it and park it in the garage and never use it.
We were impressed. We ate up 600 feet of 20-foot alley in about 35 minutes. And at the end of the demo, our council was asking, what are the options? How can we buy this thing?
Doing the job in a third of the time is just amazing. There was jobs we were doing, it would take us 2 days to do it. We could do this in a half a day.
A job that would have taken a week to cut and haul off, we did the whole job in 2 hours. All the materials was reused. So one job, we saved tens of thousands of dollars on just one job.
I don't know why you'd want to saw cut and manually load and haul off your refuse from street excavations anymore. That's an old thought with us.
You've got to see it because we're so used to the old method, and this is the new method that's come out. This is a new kid on the block, and I really highly suggest you look at it, and you will see immediately that it will make you money.
If you would purchase this machine and use this machine, the money would be no object because it'd save you so much at the end of a year.
Well, when you can consolidate a 2-day project into 18 minutes, you know there's got to be savings there. Anyone that's done this kind of work know how much savings that is. I mean, it's the wear and tear on the equipment, the men, the labor costs, you know, whatever. It's a lot of savings there.
Where we used to do maybe 2 a day when we were doing dig outs, we can do 10 or 15 of them a day with the Zipper.
As we're still growing, our country is growing, the work will be there. So you better look for a better way to do it and a less expensive way to do it, a better way to get production. That's how you save money and that's how you can impact your budget. And I think the Zipper has done that. The Zipper is yet another piece of equipment, another tool that we can use to reduce the cost and take the dollar and stretch it a little bit further.
We was grinding and having traffic within 15 minutes right behind us, you know, so it was the best of the world for us, you know. We didn't have to tie up trucks we just went and ground it up and that was it.
Once we saw it perform, I said, I got to have this thing. I mean, this was a no-brainer for us. This was going to definitely save a lot of time and a lot of money in the future.
It blew me away that it could do that much work that quick, that fast, where I was told it would take 10 men to do.
Oh, we're real satisfied. The guys are real happy with it, the guys that use it.
Again, I wasn't anticipating, at least not in the first couple of years, getting into any larger projects like some of these streets that we have done. We've gotten in, done them, and had very good results with them.
Our productivity is probably up 85 to 90%.
With this Asphalt Zipper, I mean, we just eliminate so much work and get it done so much quicker.
Once you've had one, you're never going to want to go away from it again. It's a great company, it's a great machine. These are the guys to work with.
Well, initial reaction, of course, obviously is a little bit skeptical. In the field tests that we did, we were very surprised and pleased with the way it did perform.
It was a great thing to see the demonstration. The demonstration alone sold me that's going to work. You know, this tool's going to work for us, and it has.
I'm sold on the machine. I mean, I don't have to sit here and make a video. I am sold on the machine.
Actually seeing the finished product and seeing the machine work pretty much sells itself.
It's like having the fourth and fifth or sixth guy in the crew. It's an excellent machine.
It really has been a lifesaver. It's really been very beneficial to the city of Tucson.
The Asphalt Zipper is the first product that I've been involved with or have seen that's proved to accomplish everything that it said that it could accomplish.
There's a definite cost savings, and I'd say they're substantial. And the versatility is unbeatable.
The demo's nice and it sells you, but when you actually do the hands-on and see the savings and the time savings and the money savings, then you're glad you did it. You know, you don't have any regrets, at least we don't.
The challenge that we have on a daily basis is trying to prioritize who gets the machine next. So it's been an awesome experience.
You just can't believe what you can get done with it and the time frame it saved you and the money it saved you.
We're very pleased with what the results are. It's something that we can and will use in the future as much as we can.
We actually removed over $150,000 to $200,000, and my machine doesn't have 25 hours on it.
The demo was the difference of turning the light on. Seeing the zipper is almost like an answer to Maiden's prayers.
If we've got a kilometer-long stretch that's failing, we can go in and use this machine, and you know, a couple days we're done.
To live without the Asphalt Zipper is as tough as living without beer. It just can't be done.
Other than a backhoe, this machine here is the next necessary tool on the job.
As far as our expectations, it exceeded everything that we thought it would do.
Asphalt Zipper has enabled us to do things that we could not do before.
And in less than 80 hours of time on this machine, we did a 2-year project.
Well, after I saw what it could do, we bought it right then. In fact, I don't think he took it home with him.
It ranks in the top 3 things that we've accomplished in the last 3 years, I would say, as far as upgrading equipment or testing new technologies.
When we need it, it's there, and it does a super good job.
This is probably one of the best pieces of equipment we've bought in the last 10 years.
It's like a lot of things. If you didn't have it, you're never going to miss it. Once you got it, you ain't going to live without it. Really.
Try your Asphalt Zipper. I think you'd be real pleased with what you see and the way it does and what it'll do for you, for your counties.
We're extremely happy with it. I don't know how we did it without it, to be honest. It's great.
It's just fast. A lot of power in the zipper. It just, when you see it, it's like, wow, that thing will do some work.
It does everything everything you want it to do.
It's easy to maintain, it's easy to use, easy to learn how to use.
Asphalt, you got an asphalt job, make sure you use that zipper.
It's doing the job that it's advertised to do. Pure and simple.
We were just stunned how well it worked. We pretty much bought it right on the spot.
They want to use it whenever they can. They know no piece of equipment will ever take the place of a good man, but this equipment here helps a good man do a better job.
It's a very quick machine. It does what you need to do and lets you get in and get out.
The zipper method by far is the way to go.
It's a tool that we cannot live without.
This is definitely the best buy we've made.
I can't think of another piece of equipment that has been as beneficial to the water department in keeping our costs down as the Asphalt Zipper.
Per day, we average anywhere from, I would say, 2,500, depending on the thickness, to 5,000 square feet.
Where with the zipper is very affordable, and the work the machine puts out is remarkable. It really is.